Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're looking at a new partnership between Geely Holding and NIO. They've signed a strategic partnership agreement on battery swapping technology. This is fantastic news. It's excellent news because Polestar and Volvo are owned by Geely. They're partly owned by Geely. So this is excellent news for various reasons. So I'm a fan of Polestar. I do like Volvo. I do like Geely. But more importantly, I do like NIO. This is all the companies that I like, that I talk about. They're going into a partnership together. Let's keep in mind, Geely is the parent company of Volvo. Volvo and Geely are the parent company of Polestar. And for very good reasons. So whenever we speak about Geely, we're speaking about Polestar and Volvo. We're speaking about all the other companies that Geely owns. Chinese leader privately controlled automotive technology group and NIO Holding signed a strategic partnership agreement on battery swapping technology in Hangzhou. Both parties agreed to carry out comprehensive cooperation on battery standards, battery swapping technology, battery swapping network expansion and operation, swappable models development, and battery asset management. Jack Liu, CEO of Yi Power, on the Geely Holding, and Fei Shen, Senior Vice President of NIO, signed the agreement on the behalf of both parties. Eric Li, founder and chairman of Geely Holding, Jerry Gan, CEO of Geely Automotive Group, William Li, founder, chairman, and CEO of NIO, and Stephen Feng, CFO and NIO, witnessed the signing of the agreement. These are some top hitters. These are some big names. The names they just read out are huge names in the automotive industry. Let me give you an example of what this is like. It's like if Tesla, the CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, had a meeting with the CEO of Mercedes and they've signed an agreement, a big agreement like this. Or even more established, the CEO of Volkswagen signs an agreement with Tesla. That would be huge. That's what this is like. This is the equivalent. So this is no small feat. It's a huge deal. It's a big opportunity for both companies to share, collaborate, and to grow individually. With preferences, parties, and expanding network, battery swapping is being embraced by more EV owners. NIO's swappable, chargeable, and upgradable service system provides private car users with the best recharging solutions in the industry. With years of experience in providing battery swapping for commercial vehicles, Yi Power is now looking to expand its presence in more cities. Based on the principles of strategic recognition, sharing, and openness, both parties will complement each other's advantages on the basis of their existing businesses and strategic cooperation in the area of battery swapping technology. In accordance with the agreement, and throughout a co-investment, co-construction, share, co-operated model, both parties will co-develop two battery swapping standards for private car and commercial vehicles, accelerate the development and promotion of battery swapping technology. On the vehicle end, expand the operational scale of battery swapping to provide more convenience, comprehensive and safe service for users with different needs. Both parties will establish an efficient battery asset management mechanism, build a unified battery swapping operation, and develop battery swappable vehicles compatible with each other's battery swapping systems. This is fantastic. Seriously, great job to Geely, great job to NIO to coming together and making this partnership. It will be for best of benefit to both companies and just imagine the Chinese economy. The partnership, in line with China's development direction of new infrastructure and new energy, will further standardize battery swapping technology, increase the scale of battery swap networks, and accelerate the low-carbon transformation of automotive industry. Now we do have some statements. First statement is from Eric Li, founder and chairman of Geely Holding. Green sustainable development and carbon neutrality have become a global consensus. As one of the most innovative methods of recharging electric vehicles, the future development of battery swapping technology requires the joint efforts of all parties in the industry to advance it. So Geely Yi Power have achieved positive results in the operations across multiple cities nationwide and is continuing to grow. Through this strategic cooperation in battery swapping, the two parties will strengthen their cooperation in the battery swapping and charging in the battery swapping industry chain, accelerate the adoption of unified standard, expand the ecosystem for battery swapping and charging, support the low carbon transformation and high quality development of automotive industry, and offer a better electric mobility experience for users. This is fantastic, and we've got some statements as well from William Li. This is the founder, chairman, and CEO of NIO. And I quote, NIO and Geely share a profound understanding of battery swapping and have dedicated to the investment in battery swapping technology and network for private cars, commercial vehicles with rich experience in swapping service and operations, said William Li. He also went on to say, as a leader company in the Chinese automotive market, Geely holding rapid development in new fields, new energy is impressive. This strategic partnership will further prioritize battery swapping, bring quality and convenience battery swapping experience to more users, and contribute to the steady development of smart EV industry. We will continue to advance the construction of NIO's battery swapping network for further NIO users, continue enhancing the charging experience for our users, and collaborating with partners to initiate the construction of battery swapping networks for a multi-brand sharing. This is a very interesting strategic step by both companies. I appreciate what both companies are doing. It is really good to see, and it will bring great things to the world of battery swapping technology. I do believe what NIO is doing with battery swapping technology is very much valuable. It is very much a good way of charging your vehicle. Essentially, just swap out the battery with another one instead of waiting half an hour for your car to be charged, instead of waiting an hour for your car to be charged. So it's good to see that they're advancing this and they're not just giving up. It's good to see that they have confidence and other companies want to join in. So I like where this is going. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. I'm really curious to hear your opinion on this. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more. Leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you in our next video.